So, we're diving into this really fascinating exploration of DNA robots, tiny machines essentially built from DNA that could revolutionize medicine and technology.
Yeah, it's mind-blowing how scientists are turning DNA, our genetic blueprint, into these nanoscale robots.
Absolutely. The
Yeah,
idea is that these robots could navigate the bloodstream, target diseased cells like cancer, and deliver drugs with pinpoint accuracy.
right? And it also looks like they could serve beyond medicine, even into manufacturing and computing, right?
Exactly. Think about it. Imagine building data storage systems or molecular computers with these tiny devices. It's like it's like using your own body as a microfabrication lab.
That really stretches the imagination. But how do they actually get these DNA structures to move or change shape?
Good question. Researchers are uh, using strategies like rigid joints, flexible components, and even origami-inspired folding structures to
Right.
design these robots. They're essentially programming motions into them using DNA strand displacement, the so-called fuel of these nanomachines.
Yeah, but doesn't that also bring up challenges in controlling them in such a chaotic, microscopic environment?
Definitely controlling them is um, one of the biggest hurdles. Brownian motion is a major issue, plus the constant molecular collisions can throw
Mm-hmm.
everything off. They're trying to use external triggers like electric and magnetic fields, even light, to gain better control.
I see. So it's a mix of biochemical and physical control methods. But don't you think that relying too heavily on, say, external triggers might limit practical applications inside a human body?
That's a fair point. While external controls offer precision, integrating them within a living organism is tricky.
Yeah.
There's a balance to be struck between autonomous self-programming actions, thanks in part to the DNA strand displacement, and effective external cues.
And aside from movement, these robots are also expected to be building blocks for nano manufacturing, right?
Exactly. The vision is, that they act as programmable templates, positioning nanoparticles with sub-nanometer precision. Imagine constructing optical devices or even complex molecular computers.
True. It's like crafting at a scale where even a single error could be catastrophic.
Yeah, that's where the current obstacles come in. The field is still quite embryonic. A lot of these designs are, proof of concept and not entirely practical yet. Researchers are pushing to develop robust databases of DNA mechanical properties and simulation tools to predict behavior accurately.
So, it's a call for cross disciplinary collaboration, right? Bringing in AI assisted designs and improved biomanufacturing methods to really bring these robots to market.
Absolutely. The review even mentions the need for standardized DNA parts libraries. It's all about making these tiny machines scalable and eventually fully integrated into real-world
Yeah, that's a
applications.
crucial step. It's fascinating to think that the robots of tomorrow might be biological rather than metal or plastic.
Exactly. Um, Programmable and intelligent in a way even we're just beginning to grasp. And while there are hurdles ahead, like controlling their motion at the nanoscale, the potential is massive.
Right on. This truly is a transformative frontier, blending biology with technology in such innovative ways.